In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Google Sheets, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your spreadsheet with additional resources or simply want to make data more interactive, linking a PDF can streamline your workflow. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is where all your files are stored and where we'll be locating your PDF. Once you're in Google Drive, browse through your files and locate the PDF you wish to link. Click on the file to select it. This will highlight the document and bring up a set of options at the top of the screen. Now, look for the Share button, which usually appears as an icon with a little person and a plus sign. Click on that. A new sharing menu will open up. By default, it might say Restricted, meaning that only people who have specific permission will be able to view the file. To make this more accessible, you'll want to change this setting. So find the General Access section and click on it. From the drop-down, change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This way, anyone with the link can view the PDF without needing to request access. After adjusting the sharing settings, click on the Copy Link button. Once the link is copied to your clipboard, go ahead and click Done to exit the sharing menu. This link is what we'll be using in Google Sheets. Next, navigate over to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you'd like to add the PDF link. Click on the cell where you want this link to appear. This can be any cell of your choosing, depending on where you think it will be most useful for your other viewers or collaborators. Once the cell is selected, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Link. A dialog box will pop up, requesting the URL. You'll want to paste the PDF link you copied earlier into this box. If you wish, you can also add some text in the space provided to make the link a little more descriptive. It could be something as simple as View PDF or the title of the PDF document. This text will appear in the cell as a hyperlink instead of the raw URL, making your spreadsheet look clean and professional. Finally, click on Apply to confirm your changes. Now, the link is active. You or anyone else who accesses this Google Sheet can click on the link to open and view the PDF with ease. And just like that, in a few simple steps, you've successfully added a PDF link to your Google Sheets, enhancing its functionality and collaborative potential.